Willkommen.
你好
Bonjour.
Hola. Konnichiwa.
Buongiorno.
Hello, and welcome to Habasit.
In 1946, Basel, Switzerland, the Habasit story began by solving a problem. Fernand and Alice Habiger saw a need in the belting industry for high-quality synthetic power transmission and conveyor belts. Their solution was Habasit. As visionary entrepreneurs, they inspired a legacy much greater than a simple belting manufacturer. They sparked a movement of belting innovation and continuous improvement, driven by a community of people who were proud of their company. Habasit's dedication to the craft of belting and how it brings motion to the world shaped the corporate culture and led to its ultimate purpose of contributing to the business environment while promoting the quality of our workplace and communities. Our long-term commitment to help customers improve the reliability, quality and productivity of their operations with superior products and solutions has allowed Habasit to rise to industry leadership as the largest and most reliable lightweight belting resource. Since 1946, continuous improvement has been our energy. We have continuously developed our world-class manufacturing technologies, and we have grown to produce the industry's most extensive product lines, including conveyor belts, power transmission belts, plastic modular belts, timing belts, and chains. Habasit is unmatched. No other company can offer the customer such complete quality solutions. Through our growing global network, we offer unparalleled reach. Over 30 affiliated companies in more than 70 countries with 250 service centers worldwide. But it is our people who make the difference. Habasit employees are not just salesmen, engineers, and scientists. They're world-class experts. Together, we've been keeping your businesses in motion for over 65 years. We're more than a conveyor belting company. We're a community, a reliable partner, a solutions provider, bringing movement to industry, to our customers, to the world and lives everywhere. We're Habasit. Solutions in motion.